Hey guys, so in this video here, I'll be focusing on the plumbing and the filtration, as well as the bottom drain. Thanks for stopping in. Enjoy this video. So I'm using a 1.5 inch PVC pipe here, both for intake and output. But I ended up changing the output to a 2-inch instead. And the reason why was because I had some issue with the flow. I don't have it in this video, but I did again change it to a 2-inch for the output. So I'm working on my filtration here. I will be using my existing 55-gallon drum that is currently on the holding tank right now. And this is a 25-gallon drum that's going to be connected to that. So as you can see here, I'm drilling a 2-inch hole using a uniseal and then thread that 2-inch pipe into that. So now I'm just cleaning the surface a little bit just to make sure there's no debris and putting the uniseal here. The uniseal, guys, is just one easy way to thread in a PVC pipe. The only thing that's hard about this is that you have to shave the edge of that PVC to ensure that it's nice and smooth, and use a little bit maybe Vaseline to make sure it goes in. But once it's in, it's really nice and snugged. No leaks at all, never had an issue. So the uniseal are great, but again, very difficult to feed the PVC in. So keep that in mind. So for the bottom drain, I ended up using a bulkhead instead because I had one laying around and didn't want to waste it. So just in case you're wondering, that small PVC sticking out with the glue, I know, but it works just fine, no leaks. So I'm creating a DIY external bottom drain. This is a drain that they use for like irrigation, basically. It's got some fittings to fit to the 1.5-inch pipe. You'll see in a different video where I actually got all the parts and showed how it works and so forth. But yeah, it's really neat. Fits the budget and hopefully it helps some of you guys. So here I'm adding a 1/2-inch rubber bushing on the bottom of the drain itself. This is going to help the bottom drain to elevate a little bit where it doesn't sit flat on the bottom of the pond and help pump the water. Water going. So what I'm doing now is testing the bottom drain. So I'm going to put it and submerge it underwater just to make sure that everything is good. And I did run into an issue where the drain was floating. It didn't sink down. So what I ended up doing was putting little small rocks inside that drain itself. With the 2 screws I unscrewed to put the bushing. So in there's enough space where you can put little rocks, enough so that it can sink. So the filtration is up and running 100%. It's not yet completed because I do still want to add some more using that existing quarantine pond that I have as a bog. But that's just gonna have to wait for a little while. But at least I got this up so that the koi can come in soon. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. The next video will be working on that waterfall. Having a bit of a challenge. I might change it up and just put a baki shower there. I don't know yet. But anyway, thanks for watching.